So in this remodel, she wanted to have some nice storage features. So one of the ones that she wanted was rollouts for her Tupperware and her measuring cups. So it works out really nicely. They're soft close, which is great. Cabinet space as much as she could get, so we took the cabinets to the ceiling, and that's been great for her. If you move through the kitchen, just normal sink cabinet, nothing special about it. She did end up with Bertazzoni appliances. They're made in Italy, really great product. Very happy with it. Big drawer bank, great for pots and pans, plenty of space in there. She switched to gas range. It's what was here before, works great. Again, it's Bertazzoni, dual fuel, really great appliances, high quality. There is a nice tray divider. The company that she picked makes it out of actual like shelves, so it's very sturdy, works really, really nicely. Cabinet up above the fridge, which completely functions. It is deep, so a little hard to reach all the way back, but still nice to have that extra storage. French door, Bertazzoni fridge, double freezers, nice for storage and keeping things organized, which is great. And then just a nice size pantry cabinet with rollouts that are soft close as well.